Hi, everyone. If a website is blocked on your school Chromebook, don't worry. There are simple, approved steps you can take to get access the right way. First, double-check the web address to make sure it's typed correctly. Sometimes a small typo is all that's blocking the page. Next, try opening the same site on a different device or on your phone using your home network to confirm the site itself is working. If the site loads elsewhere, but not on your Chromebook, note the exact URL and take a screenshot of the blocked message. This helps explain the problem to your teacher or IT team. Now, contact your teacher or school IT support. Be polite and clear. Explain why you need the site, how it supports your schoolwork, and include the screenshot and URL. If the site is for a class project, ask your teacher to submit an official access request on your behalf. Schools are more likely to approve classroom-related resources. While you wait for a response, look for trusted, school-approved alternatives or ask your teacher for recommended resources that cover the same topic. Finally, respect the school's decision. If access is denied, work with your teacher to find acceptable materials or request supervised access during class time. Following these steps keeps you safe, respects school policies, and increases the chance your access request will be approved. Good luck, and thanks for watching.